Hey there, my fellow Scorpios. Welcome back again to my channel and welcome back to your reading. Hope you guys having an amazing day today. Thank you for supporting to my channel. Thanks as well for joining me here, especially to all my soul family and soul tribes. I am very thankful and grateful for your support. If you are new here, welcome. Cross watchers are also welcome. This is a timeless and general energy reading for the star sign of Scorpio. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. So here we go. Divine God and Goddess of all beings, divine ancestors, divine spirits, spirits of all animals, show me the cards what I need to see for the star sign of Scorpio. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Universal energy for the star sign of Scorpio. What is going on with Scorpio? Who is coming towards Scorpio? Is there any love interest for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus? I would like to remind you guys to please use your own discernment. It's because I do believe that we are all intuitive in our own ways. And aside from that, I also believe that we are all individually responsible for our own choices and our own destiny, right? Show me the cards what I need to see, please. Give me that accurate and clear reading for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. This reading is not a personal reading. This is a timeless and general energy reading for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And for some of you guys, it could not be your energy. I advise you to leave this reading if it is not your energy. And please, don't comment any harsh, rude, and bad words. You need to respect the effort of other creators, especially when it is related to spirituality. Show me the cards what I need to see, please. You need to respect other people the way you respect yourself. Okay? And if it is not resonates to you, just leave it. Show me the cards what I need to see, please. Give me that accurate and clear reading for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. What the Scorpio needs to know about love, money, career, business, and studies. Show me the cards what I need to see, please. Give me that accurate and clear reading for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. So my beautiful souls, Scorpio, let me see your card readings for today, guys. First, we have the Eight of Wands. Just a minute because I'm going to on the lights. We also have the Three of Cups, the Seven of Cups, the Two of Pentacles, the Empress, the Ten of Wands, which is the Ten of Pentacles, the Tower, the Nine of Cups, the Page of Wands, the Two of Wands, the Eight of Wands, and at the bottom of the deck we have the Hangman. So my beautiful souls, Scorpio, let me clarify your readings for today, guys. Please keep in mind that this is not a personal reading. This is a timeless and general energy reading for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. If it is not resonates to you, just leave it. Take only what fits in your story and don't manifest the rest, okay? The first foundation of your reading is the Eight of Wands. This is a Sagittarius energy. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Sagittarius or you have a Sagittarius in your birth chart. It could also be other sign. I feel like there is a quick and clear communication coming to you. It could also be that you are going to receive this through your email, through your WhatsApp or Messenger, or any other kind of communication. For some of you, this is related to leveling up. Maybe you are going to have a promotion at work. And of course, you are going to receive a higher salary about this promotion. Others of you, this is related to traveling. Maybe you are going to travel and work, or you are going to travel to have pleasure. It could also be you are planning to travel with yourself or with your family. Others of you guys, it could also be that this person who embodied the energy of Sagittarius wants to travel with you. It could also be that this person is in your family, could also be your ex or your lover, could also be in your workplace, could also be in your friend circle or in the community. Take only what fits in your story. This is a positive energy card, and I love this card for you. The 8 of Wands. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here the 3 of Cups. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Cancer, or you have a Cancer in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. I feel like somebody here wants to celebrate with you. It could also be that somebody here wants to reconcile with you, and there is a celebration here. Or this person wants to socialize you. It could also be that this is a celebration of the milestone of your success. Could be related to teamwork and collaboration. And you are going to celebrate her more on feminine energy. For some of you, this is like you are going to celebrate this with your friends. Could be that this is an engagement, a wedding, a birthday party, a baby shower, or an anniversary. But this is more about the celebration of the milestone of your success. Could also be that this person who embodied the energy of a Cancer wants to celebrate with your success. Could also be that this person wants to socialize you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Others of you, it could also be that this person or group of people, maybe in your workplace, could also be in your family, your friend circle, could also be your ex, your partner, or in the community. This is the obstacles and influences in this reading. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we are going to the base of the situation in this reading, the 7 of Cups. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with the same sign as Scorpio, a fellow Scorpio, the other Scorpio, the low vibes. Or it could also be that this is your energy. You have too many options, both in love and in career. And you are confused which the best option to choose because you have too many options. Remember that. Others of you, it could also be that you are in this group, maybe in your workplace, could also be in your family, could also be your friend circle, could also be in your community. It could also be that this person or group of people doesn't want you to come out. They wants to hide you because for some of them guys, it could also be that they are scared that you will tell the truth. They are scared that you are going to reveal the truth. That's why this person or group of people wants to keep you inside the box. You look at this. They wants to block you, that you will not come out. Maybe for some of you guys, you wants to reveal the truth. Could also be this is in your workplace. Could also be in your community or in your family. I don't know what is your situation, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Others of you, this is the group of people or a person in the past. Because I feel like this person put you in an option in the past, and now this person is daydreaming and fantasizing about you. I feel like for some of you, you already knew this, that this person put you as an option. Could also be that you are dealing with the same sign, a fellow Scorpio. Could also be other sign. It could also be that these are the group of people in the past, in your family, in your friend circle, could also be in the community, because I feel like you are no longer engaging your energy to this group of people, and now they are daydreaming and fantasizing that you will come back in their lives. It could also be that this is your ex who embody the energy of a fellow Scorpio. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, okay? If this is your energy, the universe advises you to meditate, and you need to analyze first what is the best option for you, especially when it is related to your career, your creativity, or related to love and relationship. Don't procrastinate, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, okay? And we have here the Two of Wands. This is the Two of Pentacles. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Capricorn, or you have a Capricorn in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. I feel like this is your energy. You are maintaining the balance of your life. You want to maintain the control of your life, both financial and relationship. Others of you, you are juggling. It could also be that you are having an internal struggle for some of you. Maybe you are transferring funds from one bank to another bank because you want balance. It could also be this is related to your relationship. Others of you, it could also be that you are dealing with this person who embodied the energy of a Capricorn. And this person is trying to control the balance of their lives. Or it could also be that this person is juggling you. Could be a Capricorn, could also be other sign. But the card says Two of Pentacles. And this is embodied the energy of a Capricorn. For some of you, this is your energy. You are having an internal struggle. And this is your energy in the near future, around 3 to 6 months. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here your energy in the distant future. This is around 12 months. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Taurus, or you have a Taurus in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. I feel like this is your energy. You are sitting in your throne. You are pregnant of many ideas. It could also be that you are pregnant physically. Congratulations. For some of you, this is your energy. You are very loving and nurturing person. You are connecting to the Mother Earth. You are inspiring and uplifting other people. You are a symbol of sensuality and femininity. It could also be that this person viewed you as a marriage material. And this person wants to have a family, to be the mother or the father of their kids. It doesn't matter if you are male or female. It's because in Tarot, there is no gender. It could be that you are dealing with a Taurus, or you have a Taurus in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. I feel like for some of you guys, you are going to give birth a new ideas or a new creativity. You have lots to offer to this world. It could also be that you are going to give birth to a newborn baby. Congratulations if you are a female Scorpio. Take only what fits in your story. You are the counterpart of an emperor or an empress. And we have here the past experiences and influences in this reading, the Ten of Wands. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Virgo, or you have a Virgo in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. I feel like this is your energy. For some of you, or most of you, you have, or you are going to receive here a windfall or lump sum of money. Could also be related to your retirement for some of you, if you are going to retire. Others of you, it could also be that this is an inheritance. Could also be this is your legacy or your hard work. Or for some of you, it could also be that this is the approval of the application of the loan in the bank. If you are filing a loan and there is an approval here, and that's why you're going to receive this lump sum or windfall of money. Could also be that somebody will give you this gift, a windfall of money. I don't know your situation. Could also be that you are going to win a lottery. So trust and believe the magic. Sometimes we need to believe in magic. It's because if you don't believe, it will not happen to you. I feel like this lump sum of money can pass through the next generation. Could also be that this is a legacy, an inheritance, or this is related to your hard work, and could also be related to your legacy. Take only what fits in your story. It could also be that this person who embodied the energy of Virgo needs your support, especially financially. Could be that this person is in your family, could also be in your friend circle, could also be in your workplace, or could also be your ex, your partner, or in the community. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And let me see your energy in your environment, either at home or in your workplace. The Tower. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with an Aries or a fellow Scorpio, because the Tower is embodied the energy of Mars, and Mars is one of the ruling planets of Scorpio and a ruling planet of an Aries. Could be that you are dealing either an Aries or a fellow Scorpio. I feel like there is an unexpected ending here. There is a chaos and destruction here. This is related to an illusion, deceit, betrayals, a hidden secrets is going to be exposed, could be. And I feel like for some of you, there is a separation here, a loss and or upheaval. Others of you guys, it could also be that this is related to the people in the past who are betraying you, who are putting you in a third-party situation, who are putting you in drama and conflict, who are keeping secrets and betraying you without end. And this is the result of the Tower, because this Tower is fallen for a reason. Others of you, this is the end of the lies and deceit, betrayals, illusion, drama, and conflict. Could be that you are dealing with either an Aries or a fellow Scorpio. Could also be a group of people. Maybe in your family, could also be in your workplace, could also be in your friend circle, could also be your partner, your ex, or in the community. This is your energy and your environment, either at home or in the workplace. Could be that this is related in your home or in the workplace. The lies and deceit will be exposed. The manipulation, the trick, the betrayals, and the illusion is going to be exposed here. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here your energy in the immediate future. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Pisces, or you have a Pisces in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. I feel like one of your wishes is being fulfilled. This is a wish come true. That's why be careful about what you are wishing for, because there is a wish fulfillment here. The universe granted your wish, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. This is, for some of you, you already have this wish. You have what you call as a self-contentment. Maybe you are contented of what you have for some of you. It could also be that you are living your life freely. For some of you guys, it could also be that some people think that you are living like a hedonistic way of life. I don't know. It could also be that you are dealing with this person who embodied the energy of the Pisces. And this person is a lazy person. This person is always drinking. I don't know who is this person in your life. Could be a Pisces. Could also be other sign. And this person could be having a codependent with your financial matters. Could also be having a codependent with your stability. I don't know what is your story, but I feel like your wish here is being granted. So congratulations again, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. This is your energy in the immediate future. Around 3 weeks, your wish is being granted. And we are going to see your fears and outcomes of this reading. This is the Page of Wheels. This is normally the Page of Wands. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Sagittarius, or you have a Sagittarius in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. I feel like this is your energy. You are very excited. You are enthusiastic. You are eager and curious to start with this new creative spark. Could be a new ideas. Could also be a new passion and desire. And you are accepting the challenge. You are very adventurous as well. You are enthusiastic. You have ignite the fire in your heart. Could also be that this is a new creative spark or a new passion and desire. Take only what fits in your story. For some of you, it could also be that this person wants to offer you this. Could be a young person. Could also be an adult but having a young at heart. And this person could be a Sagittarius. Could also be other sign. But the card says Sagittarius. Take only what fits in your story. This is your hopes and fears. This person could be your ex or a new person. And this is the final outcome of this reading is the Two of Wands. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a fire sign. This is Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. Your previous card is a fire sign, Sagittarius. Could also be that you are dealing with a fire sign. But normally, the Two of Wands is embodied the energy of an Aries. Could be as well that for some of you, you have an Aries in your birth chart, or you are dealing with an Aries or a fire sign. Not necessary. I feel like this is your energy. For some of you, you are making a choice because you want to take an action with this new era of your life. This is the time that you realize that you want to put the world in your own hands. You are hatching the ideas. You are considering all the options because you knew that you have lots of potential and possibilities to create this new creativity or new passion and desire. Others of you, you are making a choice, finding balance. Which one to choose, this way or the other way. Or it could also be that you are dealing with this person who embodied the energy of an Aries. And this person, maybe in the past, never chose you. This person now realized that the grass aren't greener on the other side. And now this person is planning to approach you. This person realized that the grass is greener in your pasture. Maybe this person now is hesitate to take an action because this person is still planning and making a choice, making balance in their lives. Could be an Aries wants to approach you. If this is your ex, this person wants to have a fresh new start. Others of you, if this is a new person, this person wants to approach you. Could be an Aries, could also be other sign. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Okay, and this is the final outcome of this reading. And we will see your outside influence in this reading. We have the 8 of Wands. This is the 8 of Pentacles. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Virgo, or you have a Virgo in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. I feel like this is your energy. You are focusing in your creativity. Could also be that you are focusing in your investment. Could also be a business venture. You are devoting your time and energy because you want to have more success and stability. If this is your energy, the universe advises you to stay focused. Don't get distracted. It could also be that this person viewed you as you are focused in your financial matters. Could be a Virgo. Could also be other sign. Could also be a group of people in your life. I don't know who are these people. Maybe in your family, in your workplace, your friend circle. Could also be in the community, or your ex who embody the energy of a Virgo. It could also be that a group of people involves Virgo. I don't know what is your story. Take only what fits in your story. The universe advises you to stay focused and don't get distracted. Okay? And to clarify the outcome of this reading is the Hangman. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Pisces, or you have a Pisces in your birth chart. Double confirmation, because the 9 of Cups is embodied the energy of a Pisces. Maybe you are dealing with a Pisces. For some of you, not all of you. I feel like this is your energy. You have an epiphanies. Others of you guys, you are sacrificing. It could be related to your work or in your family. Maybe you are sacrificing in your workplace, because I feel like there are lots of people in the workplace who are trying to mock you down, who are gossiping and spreading lies about you. And you are sacrificing because you don't want to resign in this workplace, because you need money to pay your monthly bills. It could also be that this is related to your relationship or in the family. You are sacrificing because you don't want to destroy your family. You want to have a stable foundation with your family. And that's why you are sacrificing. I don't know what is your story. For some of you guys, you have lots of meditation and you are contemplating, and you are detached from the outside world because you are very tired and sick with the noise of the world. And others of you, it could also be that you are dealing with this person and you give this a silent treatment. It could be a Pisces, or you have a Pisces in your birth chart. Yeah, double confirmation. You look. It could also be that this person is feeling stuck. Could be that this person is your ex. Could also be a group of people in the past, includes Pisces. And I feel like this person is feeling stuck, feeling confused, and this person feeling in a limbo, because this person, maybe they are trapped. Maybe they couldn't move on because of what has happened in the past. I don't know what is your connection with this person. I don't know your story about this person. Could be that this person is your ex. Could also be in your family. Could also be in your workplace. Could also be in your friend circle or in the community. This person is feeling stuck. This person couldn't move on. This person is in the limbo. And this person are now contemplating why the things happened the way it was in the past. Could be a Pisces. Could also be other sign. Take only what fits in your story. Okay, and clarify me please the Seven of Cups here. Why the Seven of Cups in this reading? Please tell me more about the Seven of Cups. Why the Seven of Cups here, please? Why the Seven of Cups? The Seven of Cups is clarified as this is responsibilities. You look, Verantwortung. This is a German language astro cards. This is responsibilities. It could also be that you are dealing with a fellow Scorpio, the other Scorpio, the low vibes. And I feel like this person having lots of responsibilities in their lives. Could be that this person as well have too many options in their lives. And this person could be that in the past they put you in an options and they are not assuming, they are not, what do you call this, they never take their responsibilities. Could be in your family, could be that you are dealing with this person and you have a family with this person. Could also be that this is in your workplace and this person never take their responsibilities. Could be a fellow Scorpio. It could also be that this person is in your workplace, in your family, in your friend circle. Could also be your ex or in the community. Somebody here refuse to, what do you call this, to take their own responsibilities. This is Verantwortung, is a responsibility. This is a German language astro cards. Take only what fits in your story. Okay, and clarify me please why the Hangman here. Tell me more about the Hangman in this reading, please. Show me the cards what I need to see. Why the Hangman in this reading? The Hangman is clarified as optimism. This is the clarification of the Hangman. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with this person who embodied the energy of Pisces. Not necessary, could also be other sign, but the Hangman is a Pisces energy. And it could also be that this person are feeling stuck because for some of you guys, this person is your ex. Could be your ex-boss, your ex-partner, could be in your family, could also be your ex-friend or in the community. Because this person is lack of optimism. Yeah. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And or you are having an epiphany with this person because you realize the things about this person, why the things happened the way it was in the past, and you are changing your mind. You are being optimistic about this person. You manage to see the reality about this person, you move on, or you are doing many meditations and contemplation because you want to find the exact answer why this person is acting the way it was, and this person are feeling stuck. It could also be that this person wants you to sacrifice. This person loves to see you sacrificing. I don't know what is the problem of this person towards on you, because this is related to sacrifice. Yeah, it could also be an epiphany, but you have an epiphany here. You have seen the things the way it was. This person is lack of optimism. This person wants you to sacrifice, and in the end the tables turn. You manage to move on. You look, you are the Empress. You have lots to offer to this world. You are pregnant of many ideas. You are loving, kind, and nurturing person. You don't need other people to value you because you knew your worth. You knew who you are. You are the counterpart of an emperor or an empress. And this person is feeling stuck. Plus, you have a financial success and abundance. Yeah. And this person is feeling stuck. Plus, you are going to have a celebration of the milestone of your success. You also have a leveling up. You are going to travel. I feel like in the past, this person put you as an option. It could also be that in the past, this person is codependent with your financial matters, and this person is so lazy. This person could be drinking too much in the past. It could also be that your wish is being fulfilled. It's because for some of you guys, you are no longer with this person anymore, and that's why your wish is being fulfilled. Yeah, this person is feeling stuck and your wish is being fulfilled to be detached with this person. For some of you, you look, there is a tower here. You remember the end of lies, deceit, deception, betrayals, illusion, drama, and conflict. And this person is feeling stuck. This person is in the limbo. I don't know who is this person in your life. Could be a Pisces, because this person is lack of optimism. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And clarify me, please. Why the tower in this reading? Tell me more about the tower here. Why the tower in this reading, please? For the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Tell me more about the tower here. The tower is clarified as breaking point. This is the clarification of the tower. You look, this is a breaking point, a final straw. Somebody here is feeling overwhelmed because their lies, their deceit, and betrayals are exposed. This is the end. There is an unexpected ending here. This is destruction and chaos. This is a loss, upheaval, and separation. And somebody here is feeling overwhelmed because maybe they are running out of time. Whether they like it or not, the lies, the deceit, and this manipulation, betrayals, and illusion is going to expose. You look, this is the end. This is the breaking point. You cannot escape the tower. This tower is not for you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. This tower is for the people who are putting you in drama, conflict, illusion, betrayals, manipulation, and to those people who tried to destroy you, who trick you. This is not the tower for you. This tower is for the people in the past who did you wrong, who messed you up. And there is a breaking point here. The time has to come. This is the breaking point, the final straw. They couldn't escape the tower. This is for some of these people now are feeling overwhelmed because they knew that the lies and deceit is going to expose. Yeah. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And clarify me, please, the why the why the 9 of Cups here? Tell me more about the 9 of Cups in this reading, please. Show me the cards what I need to see for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. The 9 of Cups is clarified as intelligence. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Pisces, and this person viewed you as an intelligent person because you have a wish fulfillment. You are the Empress. You have too many ideas to offer to this world. And you have a financial success and stability. Plus, you are going to travel, or for some of you, you are traveling from one country to another. Plus, you have here a celebration of the milestone of your success. And this person viewed you as an intelligent person. Could be a Pisces, could also be other sign. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And clarify me please the why the Eight of Pentacles here. Tell me more about the Eight of Pentacles in this reading, please. The Eight of Pentacles is clarified as apology, forgiveness. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Virgo, or you have a Virgo in your birth chart. Could also be a group of people in the past, and you are going to have an apology. This group of people or this person wants to apologize you. They want your forgiveness. They want to say sorry, Scorpio. They want to return. Could be in your family who embody the energy of Virgo. Could also be a group of people either in your workplace, in your family, your friend circle. Could also be your ex or in the community. But I feel like somebody here wants to apologize. They want to return, to ask forgiveness, to say sorry. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. And clarify me please why the Eight of Wands here. Tell me more about the Eight of Wands in this reading. The Eight of Wands is clarified as fun. For some of you guys, you are going to travel for fun. Yeah, you are going to travel maybe alone or with your family. This is the clarification. Spaß. Spaß is a German language which stands for fun. Maybe you are going to travel to have a vacation holiday with your family, to have fun. It could also be that this person who embodied the energy of Sagittarius wants to travel with you to have fun. Yeah, you look. That ends your readings for today, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. And if it is resonates to you guys, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you for watching. Thank you as well for supporting to my channel. Sending you all love and lights wherever you are in the world. Until the next time, I love you all. Bye.